You know, Erica, we work with content, we work with sales reps. What are some of the biggest things that you think salespeople today who are doing, you know, they've got maybe a call quota, they're supposed to call X amount of people and set appointments, and now they've got a CRM and they're having to put data into the CRM. What do you think are the 2 or 3 things that they really should be focusing on the most in order to generate sales?
Well, I think the first is yes, they're first you got to approach it with a servant's heart. You have to truly, truly believe that what you have is going to be for the betterment of the person that you will be speaking with. First and foremost, it's all about the benefit. It's really not so much about the feature and
Yeah,
advantages.
if I can't
Oh,
help you, why am we going to waste time talking about it, right? I mean,
right,
it's not even going to feel good if it's not the
mhm,
right fit, right?
right.